In this video, I will show you how to install Wi-Fi driver in Windows 11. Search Device Manager. So type here Device Manager and open it. Now, in this list, guys, expand this network adapters. Right click on this Wi-Fi driver update. Now, browse my computer for drivers. Locate and install a driver manually. Now select this, let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. This list will show available drivers compatible with the device and all drivers in the same category at the device. So select it, click on next. Now wait for a few seconds till this process will be complete. Now close it. Windows has successfully updated your drivers. Now exit and restart your laptop or PC. Thanks for watching. Comment this method work for you.